Have you ever thought about how massive ships manage to turn so smoothly? The secret lies in a simple yet powerful device at the back of the vessel, the rudder. This flat, movable control surface is essential for steering, and understanding how it works can really enhance your appreciation for maritime navigation. So, what exactly is a ship rudder? Picture it as the heart of a ship's steering system. Located at the stern, or back of the vessel, the rudder is designed to pivot and direct the flow of water. When the ship is moving straight, the rudder remains aligned with the hull. But when the captain wants to turn, they simply adjust the rudder's angle. This action deflects the water flowing past it, creating a pressure difference on either side. The result? A force that pushes the ship in the desired direction. Now, not all rudders are created equal. There are several types, each with its own design advantages. For example, the traditional flat-plate rudder is simple and effective, while the more advanced spade rudder offers better maneuverability and responsiveness. Understanding these differences can give you insight into why certain ships are designed the way they are. The mechanics behind how a rudder operates are fascinating. The turning force generated by the rudder comes from hydrodynamic forces, which are the result of water moving around the rudder blade. But how does the captain's command translate into this precise movement? That's where the steering gear system comes into play. It connects the bridge, where the captain steers, to the rudder itself. When the captain turns the wheel, the steering gear translates that motion into the rudder's angle, allowing for accurate navigation. The importance of the rudder in ship maneuverability cannot be overstated. It's crucial for navigating narrow channels, making tight turns, and ensuring safety in busy ports. Without a well-functioning rudder, even the largest ships would struggle to maintain control. In essence, the rudder is a masterful piece of engineering that plays a vital role in every ship's steering system. From generating powerful hydrodynamic forces to enabling precise maneuverability, this seemingly simple blade is indispensable for maritime navigation. Understanding how it works not only demystifies the operation of ships, but also deepens our appreciation for the complexities of seafaring.